How's it going, guys? It's Jeremy again from the car place, and today I'm here to show you exactly how to safely jumpstart your car without frying your battery or your eyebrows. So let's get into it. First, park the working car as close as possible to the car with a flat battery. Nose to nose is ideal, so that the jumper cables can reach both batteries easily. Just make sure the cars aren't touching. Next, turn both cars off, keys out the ignition, and make sure your handbrake is also up. And also turn off everything. That includes your lights, your aircon, your radio. Make sure it's all off. We're playing with electricity here, so no distractions. Pop open the hood of both cars and locate each battery terminal. You should see a red terminal marked with a plus and a black terminal marked with a minus. Grab your jumper cables and start with the red cable. Connect the red cable to the positive terminal on the dead battery. Next, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal on the working battery. Now grab the black cable and connect it to the working battery negative terminal, just like that. Now with the other side of the black jumper lead, you want to connect it to a bare metal part of the car that has the dead battery. Somewhere over there should be fine. Next, fire up the car with the working battery and let it idle for about a minute or two. This will send charge to the car with the dead battery. Now get in the car with the flat battery and try cranking it to see if it starts. If it starts, congratulations, you just learned how to safely jumpstart your car. If not, give it another minute or two and try again. Once the dead car has successfully started, you're going to want to remove the cables in the reverse order that you put them on. That means you got to remove the black cable from the bare metal grounded part on the car with the dead battery first, then remove the black cable from the working car second, then the positive cable from the working car, and lastly, the last positive red cable from the car with the dead battery. Next, you're going to want to let the jump-started car idle for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This will give the alternator a chance to recharge the battery. If the battery dies again shortly after, you may not have a flat battery, you may have a bad one, or you may have a failing alternator. And if that is the case, we highly recommend you get that checked out. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you safely jumpstart your car without frying your battery or your eyebrows. If you enjoyed the video today, hit the like button down below and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Jeremy Moser, and until next time, happy driving.
Mm-hmm.